I'm going to show you how you can change the server region on REMATCH. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So as you probably know, REMATCH is finally out and there are some issues with the server region. As you can see, if you go to the left of the screen, you will see something like this. In my case, I have it as auto right now. But if you want to change it, maybe to have better performance or maybe to fix some bugs, you need to go to System, then go to Options, and right here at Gameplay, the first option you will see is the preferred server location. So I have it as auto right now, but I can change it to Europe or maybe Asia if you want. You can basically choose between a lot of different servers. So just choose the location that works better for you. You can put it on US if you want, or you can leave this as auto. In my case, I live in Europe, so I will leave it like this, and then just go back, and now you should see the server region. And now if you try to search for a match, the matchmaking should search only for lobbies in this region. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.